Okay, I want to show you this book for a second. It's called The Pelvic Floor Handbook, and it made me realize something. So, you know that moment when you feel a sneeze coming or you start laughing really hard and your whole body just immediately goes into brace mode? I know a lot of women know exactly what I'm talking about. But the only advice that most of us ever hear is just do Kegels. And that basically is where the explanation ends that we get. Now, this book actually explains what's going on with your core and your pelvic muscles in a way that finally makes sense. It's honestly one of those why didn't anyone explain this before moments. If you're curious about it, it's called The Pelvic Floor Handbook, and you can find it on Amazon or TikTok Shop.